You can do pretty much anything here that you would do anywhere else, except for you don't have the traffic. The opportunity is there for cultural experiences if you take advantage of it.
I love that we have the uniqueness here, but we're also still that small town community. There's a lot to Red Cloud and what we have to offer.
We were on vacation and we rented bikes. That was the groundwork for kind of wanting to open up our bike shop and doing rentals.
Red Cloud is a really great spot for cyclists to visit. We're lucky enough to host one of these bicycle rides across Nebraska.
They're starting clear on the western end and riding across the state.
It's so cool driving downtown and seeing those tents in the park. You don't see that every day.
Somebody coming here is going to get really immersed in history, arts, literature, and more. Because of the National Gather Center, we have cultural experiences that most don't have. We have more sites dedicated to a single author than any other place in the country. We also have the Mark Dowley Art Gallery. Not only is he displaying his own abstract art, but he's hosting film clubs.
We have On the Bricks. You feel like you're in a big city.
There's a lot of places to eat in town, so definitely try to take advantage of all of those. We have many things to offer with the amount of tourists that come to Red Cloud. People find that impressive.
Come and visit, see all the super friendly people, and just experience some of the uniqueness that we have here.